We saw a great opportunity in this building. It looked like it had been abandoned and not occupied for a long time, but it had a lot of character, it had a lot of historic character. The facade is really beautiful, and it was in a part of town that we thought could really use some vibrancy. My name is Sonia Max. My brother and I own the building together. My brother's Oliver Max.
My name is Eric Lookaville. I've been a remodel contractor since 2004. I think I got my license, and I was doing new construction before that. So I've certainly worked on lots of old buildings, mostly residential, but some commercial projects as well. Nothing anywhere close to this size, 30,000 square feet almost.
The construction was always with an eye to how many people could use the building from the community and what would be the best use so that people could enjoy the space. The first tenant was for the annex, and Sculpture Northwest came to us, and they actually found us the next tenant, Sharon and her husband Kurt, and so she's occupying that space in the annex now and sells her paintings out of there and has her studio in there. And then our electrician's apprentice does work with the Sylvia Center, which was in the Idiom Theater, and so he said, hey, I know of this theater that's looking for a space, so that's how that one unfolded. And then a person on the board of the Sylvia Center wanted to open a cidery with his business partner, and so that's how the cidery came to be in the back of our building. So yeah, it was all just word of mouth, and every time that we were making a decision on the use of the space, it was how could the most people enjoy the space. And so, you know, if we were choosing between an office that was going to have, you know, 10 people and not really access for the whole community or the general public versus someone that was going to have, you know, a theater or a restaurant or something that the general public could come in, we always sort of went with what could the community enjoy the most. Yeah. I think it's a great project. I think for anyone who's really interested in remodeling or rehabilitating historic buildings, it's fantastic. I think they should do it.
Get a well-fitting gas mask.
Earplugs.
A lot of some earplugs. And get some good people to help you come up with a plan. I think once you have a plan, the how to do it usually falls into place. But a lot of times coming up with the right plan takes a couple of tries if you don't have somebody helping you with it.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
It's fun and easy. I would recommend it to anyone.
I approve that statement.
My name is Eric Lookaville, and I approve this statement.
That's good.
Go.